Hi, this is Habib from Preston Audi, and this is the Audi Q3 S line. This model has a 35 TFSI engine with 150 PS and the slick S-tronic gearbox, delivering a sporty, engaging drive. This model has had one previous owner. With this being an approved used Audi model, it means it comes with 1 year warranty, 1 year MOT, and 1 year roadside assistance. Starting at the front of the car, we have the S-line enhanced exterior styling, including the aeronaut grills, radiator grille and front bumper, giving this a stylish front end. While as standard, we have the striking LED headlights, providing high quality illumination. Moving around the side of the car, we have the optional 20-inch 5 twin-spoke module design alloy wheels, which look great and complement the stunning Daytona Grey paintwork perfectly. While there's also the optional heated, electrically adjustable, folding and auto-dimming mirrors with integrated LED side indicators, aluminium side window trim strips, as well as aluminium roof rails, while the rear privacy glass ensures there's extra security for your rear seat passengers. Moving inside, you'll see there's a spacious interior, with plenty of space for all passengers to sit comfortably, while on the leather and cloth upholstered seats, it means confounding luxury too. These are really comfortable and supportive, especially on long journeys, while the ISOFIX points on the outer rear seats ensure your child seats will stay secure on the move. And if there's no middle seat passenger, there's also a fold-down armrest with 2 inbuilt cup holders, perfect for those long road trips, which we're sure you'll be able to do in this car with ease. Moving outside of the car and around to the back, we have LED rear lights with dynamic rear indicators, and as mentioned earlier, the enhanced exterior styling also includes a roof edge spoiler, rear bumper and rear diffuser, giving this a stylish overall look. To access the boot, just hold down the button on the key or use a soft release on the power operated tailgate. This has a large boot with 520 litres of space, so there's plenty of room for adding your shopping or even a pushchair, while folding down the rear seats means you can add in those larger and longer items, such as flat pack furniture. Click the button and it will close automatically. Overall, this is a really stylish SUV. While considering its age and mileage, it's definitely in excellent condition. Inside, you'll see it's equally as stylish. There's darkened matte brushed aluminium inlays, which really uplift the interior ambience. Lower down, we have the automatic gearbox and electronic handbrake, really clearing up the interior for a clutter-free, stylish look. There's also front sport seats, upholstered in cloth and leather, which are not only plush, but also really comfortable and supportive, especially on long journeys, while the manual adjustability means you can easily get into your favourite driving position every time you get into the car. There's also automatic headlights with light and rain sensors, while on the doors we have the switches for the windows and mirrors, as well as a switch for the power operated tailgate, so you can open the boot from inside. There's also the optional Bang & Olufsen sound system, which we'll come on to later. But this concludes the 360-degree walk around of the Audi Q3 S line. Now let's take a look at the interior from the driver's perspective. In front of you we have the optional flat bottom steering wheel, with buttons to control the optional virtual Cockpit Plus you see ahead of you, as well as the infotainment display on the centre console. On the left hand side of the steering wheel, we have these toggle switches, which can use to change the display ahead. We have general car information, which can display consumption, both short term and long term, as well as driver assist, so all the important information is displayed ahead of you. There's also DAB digital radio, so you can listen to your favourite radio stations, telephone equipment for making those hands-free calls, as well as navigation with 3D mapping, so you can easily find your destination, while if you click view you can change the size of those dials, really adding extra customizability for the display. This model has done 13,705 miles, while its warranty is still valid until the 24th of June 2022. It will also come with the original set of 2 keys. As standard, we have the 10.1-inch multimedia interface navigation plus display screen, with functionalities such as DAB digital radio, so you can listen to your favourite radio stations, media controls with various sources such as Bluetooth and USB, telephone equipment for making those hands-free calls, as well as navigation with 3D mapping, so you can easily find a destination. There's also Audi smartphone interface, allowing you to connect to device media via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, so streaming your favourite music or podcasts couldn't be easier. As standard, there's also Audi's Drive Select, allowing you to alter the driving dynamics by choosing one of the pre-configured modes. There's plenty more to choose from, such as efficiency, comfort, and auto, with individual allowing you to customize your options, such as the drive system and steering. But our personal favourite is dynamic, as it's most driver focused. We also have the optional extended LED interior lighting pack, so if head to lights and vision and background lighting, you'll see the predefined colour modes. There's 30 different colour options to choose from to match your mood or vibe, so you can really add your personal touch to the interior. As mentioned earlier, there's also the Bang & Olufsen sound system, which can tailor to your liking. So for enter sound, you can amend various settings, such as the treble and bass, so you can hear media in full clarity. Not only that, but there's also the optional Parking System Plus, adding front and rear parking sensors, which will come really handy, especially when navigating through those tight spaces. Moving down, we have the display for the dual-zone electronic climate control, with step controls for the passenger and driver, with plenty of configurability to your liking. You can easily change your temperature, speed, and direction on the move without taking your eyes off the road, while we also have the optional heated front seats, which will come really handy, especially on those cold winter mornings. This was a walk around of the Audi Q3 S line. If you'd like train reviewing, test drive, or request a personalised finance quote, please contact us on 01772 911 331. Thank you for watching.